Most pouch lines are assembled. Very few are architected. In many facilities, a line is built machine by machine, dosing supplier, filling supplier, sealing supplier, end-of-line integrator. Each system works individually, but performance is not additive. It is systemic, and in high-variety format environments, that difference becomes critical. As format count increases, changeovers multiply. Parameter resets increase, and synchronization becomes more sensitive. When systems are loosely integrated, small mismatches amplify. A slight dosing variation affects fill accuracy. A minor indexing delay affects sealing alignment. A microstop upstream propagates downstream. Automation magnifies these effects. The machines are working, but the system becomes unstable. In documented environments, low-volume variants already consume around 9 to 10% of total capacity through changeovers alone. When integration gaps are added to that pressure, effective performance declines further, not because speed drops, but because stability erodes. And that erosion appears in effective, stable throughput. Integration is not connectivity. It is architecture, engineered changeover sequencing, balanced buffer logic, aligned control systems, data reflecting mechanical reality. In complex environments, integration is a volatility management strategy. It absorbs variability instead of amplifying it. The strategic question is not, are the machines advanced? It is, are they engineered to operate as one system under high mixed pressure? ROI does not leak through failure. It leaks through integration gaps. Design the line. Protect the investment.